So now let's look at the reporting portion actually, how we can report. So if you go to report part, you will see there are two sections, view reports and the export. So this view reports were introduced in 2013 only actually. Before that, this section was not there. There was some tabular report and there are visual reports. So visual reports were generally report in the Excel. So this is generally report in the Excel and these are embedded reports. So we'll just see this first and then we look at the other thing, right? So remove the visual, we'll see the Excel one. Look at the baseline cost report. So it will take the data required and put it into the Excel and then open an Excel with a graph and the table. Look at this. You see this report?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
So it's showing design, procurement, construction, testing, handover, and you will see this. Design, there is no deviation altogether. There was a deviation, but because we are using percentage complete, it did not record any deviation. So it's showing that all well. But if you see here in procurement, let me zoom into this. You see this is 37,200 while the actual turned out to be 45,600. So there is a little deviation. But if you look at the construction where most of the money is getting spent, you see this is 17,63,000 and this is like 17,72,000. So a little higher, about 10,000 rupees escalation is there, which you can see here. And out of this, you have already spent, I think, 2,02,000. So approximately 2 lakhs already spent. And while this is actually 17,60,000 is the baseline cost of the construction. And with whatever we have progressed so far, it appears that we end up spending 17,72,000 on the construction. Testing, handover, they are not started yet. In meeting, I think we have some deviations. So let me zoom into this. So you can see the total budget of the meeting is 39,000, out of which we have spent 27,300. And once the meeting will be over, it is expected that we will complete it by 42,900 or approximately 43,000. So the baseline report actually show you the report on each segment of the deliverables, each deliverable. It's a deliverable oriented report. If you go here and look at the budget report shows on time. Budget is generally on time. So budget report shows time, Q2, Q3, right? Let me make it, I think month, quarter 1, quarter 2. Now we can go to this assignment uses. Here it is Q1, Q2, right? Q3, and I will make it weekly. So and now. So now it is looking better. This much supposed to be done, but we did only this much. Here in the week 24, only this much supposed to be done, but we did this. You know what does it mean? The work which was scheduled in week 23 actually done in week 24. That means the project is delayed by 1 week. You see? You see the difference? Here the plan is very high, actual is very low. Here the actual is very low, plan is very high. So what was actually supposed to spend here in this week actually got spent in this week. So it shows that project is delayed, looks like around a week time. Then here you see here we have spent less than the budgeted. And here we have spent again less than. So we are spending much less than actually required. And because of that, you see, this has gone ahead. So yeah, here we have spent more. Here we have spent more. We are going to spend more. Here we spend less, we will spend more, and here a considerable. Here also we will spend almost same. This is planned one. Actual has not come. Actual is available only week 28. And you see here much more than in week 34 and week 35, much more than actually planned. So what is happening? The things which were actually scheduled here has overflown here. So more work has come in week 34 and 35. And you see 36, 37, only one bar. That is our plan. There is no baseline. What does it mean? That the project supposed to be complete by 35, but it has gone up to 37, the 2 week of delay. You see this? So you can analyze the report actually, how what it shows actually. Let's go and look at the cash flow. Mhm. Look at this. I will make it to weekly. You see this? Okay. So you see week 37, and this is actually the cost in individual week, and this is cumulative. The line graph is cumulative. Cumulative means as you progress, it get accumulated, it get added. So week 23, this is showing, this is sum of all these bars. So that is this cost, let is 2,84,530 is the cost until week number 23. So total cost from here to here. Now this, so that's why it's always increasing, right? You see. So look at this. There are on both the side you see the cost, right? On the right hand side as well as on left hand side. So bar are mapped on the right hand side, and the line graph is mapped on the left hand side. So this is like, right? No, the line graph is on the right hand side. So this is showing 16 lakhs. So it is coming over here. So this is 16 lakh. And bar graph is on the left hand side. So it is approximately 35,000. So 34,000, 3,49,700 is expenses in week number 24. And this is the expense 6 lakhs 34,000. Yeah, this much is until week number 20. That is the difference. So we track the project with this line graph. That is we call it S curve because it looks like S.